This is my dad's SD 1980, and I wanted to do a normal general servicing, like cleaning a carburetor, like do the little bit of rusting and stuff. But when I got it to the shop, carburetor, I got a brand new one. I got it from Coimbatore exactly. Somebody had it old carburetor of 1980 SD. I opened the carburetor and stuff. There was little bit of misfiring. So when I wanted to check the wiring, there was a small copper wire rod and it got rusted. It's a copper because of the years it's been just like that. So the copper got rusted. The wiring was a little bit loose. Later on, I got the wiring person. Then he checked all the wiring. Then he fixed the wiring. The vehicle got started. It's running condition now. After opening the whole bike, now I'm feeling to like open the complete bike and restore it. So this is where I got stuck right now. I opened almost 30% of the bike and 30 to 40% of the bike, and the vehicle is running condition right now. So you tell me, shall I open the whole bike again and restore it through the screws to the rusting parts to the switches to the everything? I don't know. I'm still thinking because this is very old bike and this has a little bit sentimental of my dad's memories. When I was small, I used to sit on the fuel tank and I used to drive. My dad used to put my hands on the handle and he used to hold my hand and he used to give an accelerator when I was almost around childhood. I born in 1983 and this is 1980. So this is 3 years bigger than me. This is like exactly a big brother to me. And my dad likes this bike a lot. And he bought it from the Bangalore. The model which you're seeing right now, this model wasn't available in Hyderabad. So my dad went to Bangalore and he purchased it from there. Then he kept it in the train. Then he sat beside of it and he came to the Hyderabad, registered from the Bangalore to Hyderabad. So this is a part one of HD 250cc Deluxe special model and special place in that. I'll show you all the spares what I'm doing with the powder coat, with the nickeling work, and with the tires. Where I'm getting the 16-inch tires and brake liners and stuff. All that. There's a few things that nobody doesn't know where to do it and stuff. It's like third generation. This vehicle is going to. So we'll restore this 1980 SD. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.